Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you the complete tutorial on how you can use Synthesia for beginners. So what is Synthesia? Synthesia.io is an AI video creation platform allowing users to generate professional videos from text inputs without the need for cameras, microphones, actors, or studios. It's rated as the top AI video software globally, utilized by numerous companies across 120 languages, potentially saving up to 80% of video creation time. User input text and Synthesia.io converts it into video format, streamlining the video production process. The platform offers a range of features, including the ability to create videos in multiple languages and the generation of AI avatars. Now, to get started, you just need to scroll up and then we're going to click on this button, Create a Free AI Video. Now, as you can see, Synthesia will prompt you to select your video template, and we have some options that you can basically choose from. Now, in this case, I'm going to use a how-to template, and then you can customize or edit your video script. So, Synthesia makes it clear that any hate speech or discriminatory contents are not allowed. Now, for this sample, I'm going to replace the default script just a little bit. So, as you can see, hi, I'm Carly. I'm an AI avatar created entirely by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the channel. You too can create a video like this with just a few clicks. Try it out for yourself today. Now, once done here, you just have to click on this button, Generate Free AI Video. So once you click on this one, as you can see, you just have to complete the details, including your full name, last name, email, and then you just have to check this box right over here. Now, as you can see, I just entered my full name, email, then here, how did you hear about Synthesia? I saw it on LinkedIn. Check this, I'm not a robot. And I confirm that I've read and understood the terms of service and privacy policy. Now, click on Generate Free Video. So as you can see, Synthesia now is working behind the scenes. But as you can see here, we're generating your video and we'll email it to you shortly. In the meantime, feel free to explore Synthesia's pricing plans or watch a quick product tour below. So we're going to see the pricing plan right here from Synthesia. So as you can see, we have some plans. First one is starter plan, which goes to $22 a month. Build yearly, pay monthly if you're going to click this one. So you can save 25% with yearly. So it includes one editor and 3 guests, 10 minutes of video per month, 70 plus AI avatars, and the key features here is 120 plus languages and voices, AI video assistant, and built-in screen recorder. So as you can see, when upgrading to different tiers, you will notice that you would have more access to AI avatars. So from the starter plan to creator plan, you'll get at least access up to 20 AI avatars and more minutes of videos per month to unlimited minutes of videos like this enterprise plan. So if you want more enterprise level features, Synthesia does offer a corporate pricing too. Just get in touch with their team to discuss the details and pricing for your specific needs. Now, how can Synthesia's AI video production studio benefit your business? Synthesia's AI video production studio offers several benefits such as reducing production costs, saving time, enabling scalability, enhancing personalization, and increasing audience engagement. These advantages can help businesses create high-quality videos more efficiently and effectively. Now let's go to your email and check if the AI video is now ready. So as you can see here, my AI video is ready. So I'm going to click this button, watch your AI video. So as you can see here, this is now the result. So basically we're going to play the video right here and see if it's got a good result. So let's play this video.
Hi, I'm Carly. I'm an AI avatar created entirely by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the channel. You too can create a video like this with just a few clicks. Try it out for yourself today.
So as you can see, it's really amazing to have this software. It's basically superb. Whether you need a quick promo video clip, conversational video, or eye-catching sales pitch, Synthesia has templates tailored for every type of video. So even it's for the free account without plan, audio and video are actually stunning. So that's how you can use Synthesia.io. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.